My name is Kelly and I live in Essex Junction. Well, we live in a farmhouse that was built in 1900 and it has a stone foundation. And every spring we would have Niagara Falls in the basement with very audible, absolute waterfall coming out of the stone. We don't have a utility sink down there, so we would bucket brigade water out of the basement. And it took a lot of work every spring. And it was very frustrating, very stressful, and we finally just realized we could not do it one more year. So we went ahead with working with Matt Clark's, and we got a French drain and a sump pump and a dehumidifier, and all that area of the foundation has been sealed off, and it's been incredible. We had a great experience from start to finish, from making our first appointment to walking through what our options were, and then the actual installation was on time. All the communication was respectful and clear, and nobody talked to me like I was stupid, which I hugely appreciate. It's just a really great team, and the work has been done so well. And we're no longer bailing out our basement this spring, even as the rain comes down. Well, since we had the work done, it's been over a year ago now, we no longer feel a sense of panic every time there is a significant rainstorm. My husband and I just look at each other and be like, oh gosh, we're gonna have to deal with the basement. And now we don't have to deal with the basement anymore. The dehumidifier, the sump pump, the French drain, we just know it's all in motion already. And it's been a huge load off our minds. As we are going through rains and melt even today. I'm just not worried about it at all. I would recommend Northern Basements because the work was done clearly, well, with good, clear, effective communication. Everyone was respectful and thoughtful and timely, and the work was done on time and at the price that was quoted to us. And it's been a great experience. The work was done very well.